So not too long ago, I got hit on the scooter as a pedestrian by a car. I went ahead and changed out the front issues. As you can see, the tire was blown out. The bearing that actually held the wheel in is completely ripped out. The little casting front disc brake got bent. Bought a new front disc brake, went ahead and changed that out already. And now it's the back. The back rear is a little fucked, and I have been running with brakes for the past couple months. So I'm going to go ahead and get that fixed up today. So it is a super simple fix, but I'm going to make it unnecessarily complicated. Oops. That one side was much tighter than the other. Last thing I have in the shop to represent it, as you can see, it's kind of yeah. So this is the complicated part. I'm actually going to take it into work, go ahead and press this as flat as I can get it, and then grind it home. All right, here's the freshly ground disc. I didn't grab any footage of it because, you know, it's at work and the grinders are a little bit harder. But that's good enough for what we're doing with. And now for the quick and easy reinstall process. It's just the same 6 bolts. Cable was so frayed it was kind of a pain in the dick to actually get back on, so we got there though. Yeah, one small step. Alright, after a lot of back and forth, good amount of grinding, I'm almost done. Had to relieve quite a bit of this section just to get it to fit, and as you can see, these holes don't quite line up, so I need to come back, disassemble it, spray paint it, and get this slotted out, but no rubbing, no catching. It's running good. All right, to the next part. Engaging. All right. Turn it on. Alright, I got that good enough for bedding the brakes in too, so we'll go ahead and give it a couple test drives. And then through the magic of editing, when we come back, I'll be struggling slotting this bad boy out on the mill, and you guys won't even know any different.